In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Drive permanently. If you're looking to clear space or remove files for good, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it safely and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, since the changes you're about to make will only affect the files in that account. Once Drive loads, take a moment to find the file or folder you no longer need. You can use the search bar at the top or browse through My Drive to locate it. When you found the item, right-click it to open the Actions menu, then choose Remove. This does not delete the file forever just yet. Think of remove as moving something to a recycling bin on your computer. It's taken out of sight from your main drive, but it still exists in a holding area. This step is useful because it gives you a safety net in case you removed the wrong thing. Next, look to the left side of your screen for the trash, sometimes labeled bin depending on your region. Click Trash to open it. Here, you'll see everything you've removed. If you want to restore something, you can do that from this view, but if you're ready to erase everything in here for good, you're in the right place. To permanently delete, click Empty Trash. You'll be asked to confirm because this action can't be undone. When you confirm, Google Drive will permanently delete all items inside the trash. This frees up storage space immediately, and those files can't be recovered later, so double check before you proceed. A few helpful notes as you do this. Deleting from trash is final, so if there's anything you might need later, consider downloading a copy to your computer first. If the file is shared and you're not the owner, removing it generally takes it out of your view, but you might not be able to permanently delete it. Ownership matters for what can be removed forever. Also remember that items sitting in trash may still count toward your storage until the trash is emptied, so completing that last step is important if your goal is to reclaim space. That's it. Go to Drive, remove the file or folder, open trash, and empty it to make the deletion permanent. Take your time, review what's in trash before confirming, and you'll keep your drive organized and your storage clear.